Here is a little informational video to show you if you're trying to put a dash cam within the Mazda 2. This is DE model, mine's a 2012, and this is how you're going to hide or conceal some of the wiring, or most of the wiring. You can use this guide for most cars, to be fair. They're all mostly the same, and most places will tell you to do exactly the same. With the Mazda 2, the headlining is quite flexible, as we can see here. So what we'll be doing is plugging the dash cam in through the headlining, across there, concealing it, and then into what they call the A-pillar, which is there. From this A-pillar, you can just pop it off. It's a plastic trim that covers the airbag, which is located round about here. And what you want to do is pop this off and slot it behind the airbag here. And then you'll see there's a seal right here inside the car. And what you'll want to do is get the wiring through there, through that seal, and then run it along the side of the A-pillar and down the door, down here. So when you open the door, it's concealed in there. As you can see, that the wiring is popped out here. Now, I'm at the stage currently where I've ran the wiring here, which is quite nice because there's a little groove in here. I don't know whether that's intentional for dash cam wiring or what it is for, but it's very ideal actually, and it runs along the whole side of this door card here as well. So just pop it behind. This comes out, as you can probably see. This flexes. So just pop that out. Run the wiring along all the way down inside the door card. It doesn't obstruct the door opening and closing, which is great. That's what we want. And then it should pop out here, just underneath the glove box. And you want to run the wiring under here. At the moment, I've just tucked it under the carpet mat, down here, and then into the cigarette lighter. But I will be returning momentarily, and we're going to be, I think I'm going to find some sort of PVC, like trunking sort of, what we can hide the wire, so then it fits nicely under there. And also I can see there's a little groove here. I don't know whether we can get the wiring into the groove maybe and hide it under there, and we'll probably hide it there. But for now, that's where we're at, and the car needs a good clean as well. So we'll return when I've got the clips, and then we'll go from there. And as we can see, tuck it under there, just under there, and then round this centre trim here, so you can't recognise it, and then the rest into the cup holder. So it looks quite neat. Hopefully you found this quite useful. If you did, leave a like. Also consider subscribing for more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.